What's up, everybody? My name is Galen, and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. And if you have not already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It would definitely mean a lot to me. So today I will actually be unboxing the iXTRA 12.9-inch iPad keyboard case. So iXTRA actually sent me this for review, so huge shout out to them. And I will also be having a discount code on this already cheap keyboard case. So this is on Amazon for around $44 right now. I definitely believe that's a great budget option, especially if you want your iPad to feel like a laptop. I definitely think this will do the job. I love the descriptions and all of the pictures that I've seen of it so far, so I'm really excited for this. I'm actually going to be replacing this Birch case just because it's been giving me a lot of issues in terms of fit. Like the keyboard and the touchpad work perfectly fine, but the fit has just been terrible. As you can see, my edges are not properly protected. The corners, the screen protector is coming off, and then on the end of it, the charger port, it does not really accept my charger properly when I have this case on. I have to jam it in there, and I definitely do not want to risk my the health of my charging port. So yeah, I decided to reach out to this company, and they sent me this for review. So again, thank you so much, iXTRA, for sending me this, and I will have discount codes in the description. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. I'm ready to get to this unboxing.
I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do no wrong.
Okay, so here is the packaging of the iXTRA keyboard case for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. They do also have a model for the 11-inch iPad Pro. I did see that, and I do believe the new iPad Airs from 2020 also support the 11-inch size as well. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys what's on the box. As you can see, it says soft silicone case, slim build in keyboard, built-in trackpad, longer battery life, Apple Pencil slot, 7-color backlit keyboard, magnetic sensor, auto sleep, and 100% quality insurance. And here's a picture of the keyboard. I do believe this is the only color that they have. All of this for $44, which is a great deal in my opinion. And let's see, so it says that there is a soft and durable silicone case, full-size scissor mechanism, keyboard with adjustable backlight, so should be a very clicky keyboard. The trackpad supports multi-touch, 2 Apple Pencils, 1 for charging and easy access, 1 for anti-loss. 400 hours of usage after 3 hours, which is great battery life in my opinion. USB-C charging port, 1 cable for all. 120 days replacement warranty. And here is the social media information for iXTRA. And then again, there's another picture of the design of it. So yeah, you're getting all of that in this box. Now let's unbox it. Okay, so now I'm going to go over everything that came in the box, just starting with the USB-C charging cable. That's a great addition to charge the case. And then you get your normal customer service manual. Okay, and then you get your instructions. I did take a peek at the instructions, and they were very simple and straightforward. I'm not going to go over all of that now. And now to the actual case. The case is just super solid. It really has a laptop feel to it, which is what I was looking for. The keyboard is not detachable. So the keyboard itself is pretty nice. It really feels like my Artec keyboard that I use every day. It gives very good feedback, and there are just a ton of keys. You have your brightness, a universal search button. You could switch to the virtual keyboard with one of these buttons. It has a cut, copy, and paste button, music playback, volume, a lock key. It just has everything you could think of on there. The trackpad is very solid as well. It feels a lot like my old Chromebook trackpad, which was made of Gorilla Glass. So that says a lot in itself. It does have like a little bit of an extension so that you can close the case, but you can just flip it up under like that. That's how I'm probably going to use it most of the time. So to the actual casing now, it is silicone. And then there is like that impact resistant like type honeycomb designs on the inside. I like that about it. And to the back, again, that's silicone, but it has another back cover that folds down into a stand. And this, I really like this. It feels like it's like that faux leather material. Kind of feels like a wallet, but it's really hard. Okay, and then the stand, you do only get one level to the stand, but I don't mind that at all. So yeah, it's a very solid case. I'm going to put my iPad in for the first time to see how the fit is. Let me back out a little bit. Okay, get my iPad. Let's see. Okay, wow. Yeah, okay, so this really, it just fell into the casing, which I like because the other one was so tight in some areas. I couldn't get my charger in. The screen protector was popping up. That does not happen with this at all. It looks like the power button works fine. Let me see how the charging port is. Okay, you heard that click right in there. No blockage at all, so the fit of it is absolutely perfect. Like, it literally fits like a glove. It just fell into the casing for me. I really like that. It's not too flimsy. And then there is a lip around it, so you get a little bit of protection. Especially if you have a screen protector, I highly suggest a screen protector for the iPad because the regular screen is just so smudgy. So yeah, I'm really feeling it. And another thing, that there is a spot for the Apple Pencil holder. I do not own an Apple Pencil, so I'm not sure if it will like still do the magnetic charging or whatever from there. But yeah, now I'm gonna look at the instructions and find out how to connect it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to connect this keyboard. First, gonna go to my settings and then Bluetooth. And they said you can do the FN and C. Wait, is it turned on? Okay, there is a power switch on this side, so. And the charging port is also where the power switch is. And you can see the keys are backlit. Okay, now let me do the FNC now. Okay, and it came up automatically, iPad keyboard. See how long it takes. Okay, it's already connected. Now let's see. Okay, I'm using the trackpad now. You can see the trackpad. Okay, and the gestures do work. The iPad gestures do work. Let me just go on to Twitter for a second. Okay, scrolling is nice and smooth. So all of your iPad gestures do work with these. I did hear a reviewer before say that these cheaper keyboards do not support the iOS gestures, but I'm showing you right now that they do. So this is a solid option if you really want your iPad to feel like a laptop. I'm really liking it so far. Let me do some typing. I'm going to act like I'm going to tweet something. Let's see. Tweeting something. Okay, so yeah, I have no problems about the keyboard at all. As you can see, everything registered, no delay at all, even on the first attempt. Let's see how the backlighting works. I'm curious about that. Let's see. FN. Okay, just turn that on. Okay, look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like pulsating colors right now. I'm gonna try to zoom in. So yeah, it's like pulsating. That's really cool to me. The RGB lights on this are very solid. I know there are more options. I'm gonna look at the instructions so I can see a few more. Okay guys, so I've had this product for a few days now, and all I can say is just wow, it's crazy the value that you get in this product. Again, it's only around $40, and I will have like a discount code in my description, so you could get it for even cheaper than what it was. So yeah, the casing on it is just super solid. The fit is absolutely perfect. It falls right into the case, and the lip protects everything. It does not interfere with your screen protector at all, which is what I was looking for in a case. So yeah, it's very useful as a case and as a keyboard cover. It really gives me laptop vibes, like just the way the touchpad works. All of your iOS gestures work. The keyboard is very solid. The keyboard part feels very durable. Does not bend at all. The back, the only issue I had, it took me a while to learn how to like put the stand down. Just gotta pop it and then do it. I was just trying to like do it like that, but you have to do it from a certain way. Gotta get it from the inside and then get the stand to work. The stand is one direction. If there's any con, that's what it would be. The stand is only at one angle. But yeah, you really can't complain for this price. Everything has just been performing perfectly. I've had no lag typing, no lag on the touchpad. Everything has just been working great. So yeah, I will be pairing this with a few of my other favorite budget accessories in a later video. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments. This is just a great case if you want your iPad to feel like a laptop. So yeah.